Right, hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you how to get the developer tab up in Microsoft PowerPoint. Um, this is the new version. It's not for the old version. It's 2010, I believe. So go down and find PowerPoint, which not make sure it's not PowerPoint Viewer because that's obviously just a viewer. If you can't find it, go to Microsoft Office. Then it's there. I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. It's one of the latest ones out, but the latest one out is at the moment is 2010. What I'm doing this, but this is okay. This is the okay one. So if I open it, if it asks for this, just click continue, then click no, and then it gets past that. Oh, I've got this thing open, but when you've opened it and it's on a blank screen like this, you won't have this developer tab up. But the developer tab is people that know visual basics and want to make their own little programs, such as like calculators, text buttons, and like ask them to do things, pictures, and all things like that. So as you see, the visual basic is over here. If you just click that, there's nothing in there because we haven't asked it to do anything, or there's no buttons to do or anything like that. So if I want to get the developer tab up, then I go to the home button at the top, which is the big circle. Then go to not the one next to it is a little arrow here. Just click that. Go to more commands at the bottom. Go to popular, and then this will be unticked, but it says show the developer tab in the ribbon. Make sure that's ticked, and then click OK, and it will show up. Now to start adding buttons and stuff, you just go like that, and then you can add like check boxes, and then double click it, and you can add the let's say like the visual basic to it, like the codes. But if you want to change properties of it like that, you don't want it to say command button 1, right click, go to properties, and over here make it bigger. The name is what you want it to name it, so that's what you refer it in the visual basic. So if I want it to be input 1, or no, button 1, which then I'll be in Visual Basic, so I go button 1 equals, and or whatever code you want to do, you link that to the name. So if you ever want to use code on this button, then you have to name it command button 1, but you can change it there. Now to change the text, you go to caption, and then type in button. If I go over here, it says button. Now if we double click it, if you just want to add like little certain things, like if I want to add the code just to the button, just double click the button and then add the code you want, and then just in between the middle there. And then if you want to change, I want to quickly go to the checkbox instead of closing it, double clicking the checkbox, you can just click up here where it says command button 1 and go to checkbox 1, and there you go. If you want to do a global scope with like a global command which covers all of it, like the whole background of the program, go to general. That doesn't have a sub and a private sub because it's not just for one section. It's not just subbing just a little command button or whatever thing you have. It's going over the whole code. So that's how to get the developer tab up and kind of use like Visual Basics at the beginning of Visual Basic. I hope it's helped. Please comment, like and subscribe if it helped, and I'll be uploading more videos soon.